Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machinery. Today I will introduce you one set of our special designed mobile dry mix concrete batching plant. Those two bins are the aggregate bins store the sand and the stone, and this is a cement silo. This is a cement wing hopper. The cement will transport it by Z through conveyors to those cement wing hoppers to weigh the cement, and after the cement is being weighed, so it will transport it to the discharging hopper to discharging the concrete. The aggregate will, after being weighed, will transport it through this belt conveyors to the discharging hopper. And these two tanks attached to the concrete batching plant is a water tank and the additive tank. This steel frame is used to put the control carbon in it. And this is the loading hopper after all the materials is being weighed, so it will discharging the materials to the concrete mixer trunk. We will add the tires in here so it can also easy to move to another job site. This is the tires that we'll put in the concrete batching plant. This is steel platform, so you can add a electric generator on here if you don't have the electrics on the job site, so you can use diesel as the power to support the running of the concrete batching plant. We have a team of expert engineers that can custom made of the concrete batching plant for our customers, and welcome to contact us if you are interested.